Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I am closing out at 2:30 today, um, and I'm gonna show you the trades I took as well. But I want to address some comments. So there was comments like a lot, like because my videos have been actually kind of popping off. But they're like, oh, why is there so many goddamn lines? Or they're like, clean your chart up, bro. Like they're telling me how to like, well, okay, so my chart is how I trade, right? Everyone has their own way of trading, and when you do become advanced and when you start understanding the algos, this many lines will not confuse anyone because they can differentiate, they can tell, and they can. It looks clear when you actually master algos, right? And this trading method, right? You will understand every single algo, and you won't be confused, right? So if you are commenting like, oh, what are these all these lines, just that means you're just not there yet, right? And that's okay. I would suggest watching videos from my mentor. He is very beginner friendly compared to me. I think you should watch me if you already have experience in algos, and yeah, and what I do, I provide an in-depth analysis compared to my mentor. Like he goes over the trades of the basically the highlights of the day, but I go over every single aspect of that and leading towards that, etc. Right? So if you want to watch his video, I think I'll link it in the description, or his channel. Right? You watch his video, then you can watch mine. But yeah, if you are a beginner, you should watch his. He hasn't been uploading lately. I have no reason. I have um, no, like, I don't know why, right? I hope he's well. Eric, I love you, bro. But yeah, yeah. So let me go over intraday as well as the 30 and the 5 minute, right? So 30 minute, right? So you can, like I told you guys yesterday, we were in sort of some sort of like wedge right here, and then we broke up below right here, AM, right? Um, and then we pushed up right here, right? This is the trade of the day. Um, so yeah, that's what you have to look out for, and that's what the trade you would take eventually. So I'm gonna show you in the 5 minute as well, right? The 5 minute is much clearer, right? You have the pink right here, right? Could have a tick in the microstructure right here, entry right here off of pink, and then close the cup, right? And right, you could have waited, um, and then break of pink right here as well, right? This was the final entry if you wanted to add on right here, um, right? Inverse head and shoulder right here, all the way up, okay? Um, really strong buying right there. And we are tapering at this top of the range right here. So we have to see what the market does. Build more liquidity, complete a cup, for example, inverse head and shoulder, right? And target these highs 565, 60.45 level right here, right? So pretty simple day today. I'll even make the right strong green buying out over here. Okay, now let's go in the 1 minute and I can dissect the trades for you guys. Also, I do not get paid. Like, people are like, oh, make it look nicer. I do not get paid, bro. I don't offer a course. I don't do anything like that. So I constantly have a meeting. I have a meeting today, right, at 3. So I don't have time for that. And if I did have time for that, I would want to charge for. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is just like fun for me, and that's why I do it. And I tell you guys what algos, right? This orange right here. Go in your own charts, man. Go in your own charts. Draw it up, bro. Like, it's not that hard. Stop complaining and do it. If you actually want to be successful, stop the complaining, bro. Like, oh my god, I get it, bro. It's messy, but like, I'm literally telling you the algos. I'm telling you everything, right? It's not like I'm just like trade here. I'm literally telling you what I take it off of and how I trade, right? So again, we were looking for some sort of retracement, right? Because we did open higher to um, this level right here, right? This 556.80 level right here. So we were looking to a retracement around that level to grab liquidity or build liquidity, right? So I was setting up this green algo, right, as well as this orange right here, right. So you can see a perfect head and shoulder right here, um, right, and then all the way down right here, right. Um, then you just wait for next structures, right. So um, I didn't really enter the trade right here, right. I entered more right here. This was my entry right here, because it was tapering at the pink right here. So I just wanted to build a better risk reward, and then break of orange right here, right. Just take the trade down, right. And then again, you have to notice that this level is very good support level right here. Like I said, you see this high bounce, long wick right here, right. So it is a very high support level. And you have all the tapering algos to show for it, right. You have the tapering blue, you have the tapering white, right. Tapering white is right here, right, and then blue as well, right. So there was many entries here, right. So what I always say, picking bottoms is always when you see that inverse head and shoulder right here, right. So this is a good entry to close this cup right here, then another entry right here. So this was the entry to take actually, right here, or you could have waited for this cup to close, right, and then another entry off of white right here, right, because we had multiple structures off of white, microstructures off of white, right. So this was the microstructure off of white, and you could have taken out the break of white as well. So there was many opportunities. Just have to be patient. You could have taken off the purple as well, right. So you just have to be patient, and then you follow the green algo up, right. The green algo guides you up. We complete this cup right here, right. Then again, handle, right. Then we complete another cup right here, right. And then we form our inverse head and shoulder. So this one, we didn't get that deep structure down, so the market did have to build liquidity later on right here, but we did form some sort of microstructure of a handle right here after this cup close, right. So this was a great entry to take up, right, as well with this green algo, right. I forgot to, I don't know what happened, right. This was a great entry. Then the market obviously wants to build liquidity after it rejects here, right, and then it does, right. So in total, this could be an inverse head and shoulder if you see it like that, right. I wish there was a structure right here, but the market, you wait for the market to present itself to you, right. So I found this entry here, that's why I took it, but again, you could have just waited for this, right, off of purple or blue right here, right, and then all the way up. So guided by the green algo once again, right. So then we are here, so you see how we bounce. We always test the tapering algo, right. So we tested right here, right, and then we completed this cup right here, right, and then we have the pink algo as well, right. So we are you see how we bounce off the pink right here. We bounce off the pink perfectly right here, right. So this was basically like an inverse head and shoulder, if you see it, right, all the way up, right. Then you notice the tapering teal as well right here, right. So you just have to wait for the next structure, right. If we close this cup right here, right, and then form some sort of retracement, right. But yeah, so just manage that. Or if we are headed down, we are gonna close this inverse cup right here, right. Take it down. It was kind of an easy way up, so it'll be an easy way down to at least the 457 levels. So it can be an easy 2-point trade way down, right. So don't rush this trade, especially like shorting it. You have a long way to you have many levels right here at 559, and even you can take this trade. There's another algo coming up. Let me show you guys. Right, I'm just do this orange for now, right. So you can take it off of here, 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 and then drops all the way, right? Then we're gonna get another teal, and we're gonna have some sort of retracement, right? And then drop to all 2 points, right? So yeah, so look out for that if we are headed down. I have a meeting at 3, so I might take that trade. I just wanted to get that video out, this video out for you guys. Um, I have a lot to do today, so I just want to get this done out over the way. But if you guys have any questions, I'm always free. But just like once you build the experience, trust me, guys, you will understand everything. It's just you guys. If you are a beginner, you should watch my mentor's videos, which I'll link in the description. But my videos are mostly for intermediate type of people, and this takes a long time to learn. This is not easy. This looks like all someone said these lines are only what Batman can see. Like, bro, like I'm literally going over intraday with you, and I'm explaining every single thing. It's not like it's hard. It's doable. And if you're actively day trading, these are all the algos that are present. So if you are serious about trading, this is what you have to learn. It's not easy. I know you guys might be TikTok kids or whatever, but yeah, guys. All right, guys. Questions, let me know. Comment anything. I can do like fresh charts, but I will probably do that if I charge money or something. I don't really feel the need to do that. I really don't. I don't even get paid from YouTube. Like, wallahi, like I don't. So I don't really feel like it. So I am making these videos to help educate like intermediate traders of who knows algos and are from my teacher. And yeah, but yeah, all right, guys.